Back to the new video. So today we are going to discuss about Central Depository Service Limited, also called as CDSL. So we are going to start with the business analysis, then we are jumping into the financial analysis, and finally we end the video with the technical analysis. Starting with the business perspective, the CDSL maintains the security and electronic form of papers. For example, if I want to save my money, I will be going to a bank and open my bank account. So for opening the bank account, for maintaining the bank account, the bank charges about some amount of money. For example, if bank is charging 500 rupees per year, then I will be paying the 500 rupees to the bank, and bank will be giving me the services, right? Same like that the CDSL works. For examples, for every investor, we are going to start a demat account, then we are going to open the trading account. So what is the demat account? Demat account is maintained by two private limited organizations. First is CDSL and second one is NSDL. Okay, so the CDSL maintains moreover about 70% of demat accounts across the India, and they are going to approximately they are maintaining about 6.5 crores of demat accounts, and NSDL is approximately maintaining about 2.8 crores of demat accounts. Here there is only two companies in a business, and if in a business that is growing, that is well growing, because only I think 3 to 4% of Indians are investing in the stock market, right? I will be putting that links and also the proofs here. So check this. There is only approximately about 6 to 7% of investors in India who are investing in the stock market, right? Now, whenever the people grow, the people opening the demat accounts, then the CDSL grows their profit. For examples, if I bought a stock, then the demat account will keep my documents of buying that particular company. If I want to buy Reliance Industries, then I will be paying the amount not for the CDSL but for the company, and company gives you documents that you had purchased this Reliance Industries, and that papers will be documented in CDSL, right? This is like a database where you are going to keep your documents. That's it. So how they are producing capital or profits? When you are buying Reliance Industries, they won't charge any money. They are going to give directly for the Reliance Industries. But when you are selling the stock of Reliance Industries, then they are going to be cut some profit. So it depends upon which app you are using. Approximately about 7 rupees, starting from 7 rupees to 15 rupees, they will be cutting. So for every transaction, not stock, for every transactions, if I'm selling 1,000 stocks, then also I will be giving 15 rupees for that. If I'm selling only one stock also, then I will be giving 15 rupees for the CDSL. That's the business prospect. Here you should know one thing particularly, because some people will not sell, like they want to keep more days. If I'm purchasing some stock, for example, I'm purchasing the Kotak Mahindra stock, I want to sell it in profits only, about 30 to 40% of profits. Then I will be going to keep that for 1 to 2 years, then I am going to sell. And some other investors who are long-term investors, they are keeping the some stocks like TCS for the upcoming 20 years. Then the transaction will be the CDSL will not be getting money for those years, for that 10 years, right? So here is the business prospect, and you see the stock PE is 40. And you should understand one thing: the business will be growing very rapidly. Why this business is growing? Because people are aware about the stock market. People know that if you are invested in the stock market in right companies, then you are going to make money, right? That's why the stock market will grow. If the stock market people who are investing, the investors are growing, then CDSL clients will be grown, right? It is directly proportional to how many people are investing in stocks for their profit margin. That's it. The stock PE was 40.6, but when people are started investing more and more, automatically the price of the stock will be growing a lot, right? The stock PE is 40.6, which is not bad. The ROC is 31.6, which is also a good, in my perspective. In not my perspective, it is one of the best. And the ROE is 23.9%. The book value is 116% to 1071. Here the quarter sales decreased, profit also decreased. But you should understand, when there is a bull run, there then they will be getting profits. If there is no bull run, then approximately they don't have any power to cut your money, right? That's why I'm not entering into these EPS and profit variance or increasing, but I'm seeing the sales growth of 5 years and the sales growth of 3 years. Because if people are increasing, if clients are increasing, then the quarter sales, the profit also increases. So that's my point of view. Please understand this. If sales are growing, then I will be not seeing about the profits, because sometimes increases. If people are selling more and more, then automatically the profit increases to the central depository service. Okay, it's a kind of monopoly in this game. Understand this. Okay, so the debt to equity is 0, which is a good thing, very good thing. And see here, let us 3 P ratio of it. The P ratio also decreased. It is about 40.5, but I'm not caring about P ratio. But the index, it is, as I said, it is a monopoly like stock. There is NSDL also, but approximately about 70% of business is in CDSL, in the in CDSL prospect. So that's why there is a lot of good things or doing, and the bad things are 9.22 times of book value. Yeah, but it was a growing business. Some companies are 30 times or 40 times, which are not making profits, but it was a 9.22. I think it's okay. And the working capital has increased. It will be decreasing soon, very soon. Don't worry about that. And see here, their operating profit margin, OPM, was increasing rapidly. See here, if you are doing a business of 125 crores, you getting about 68 crores of profit. That's it. That's the potential that CDSL gives to you. See the sales also, they increased from 551 to 555, and the profit is 365 crores, right? The the net profit is 276, but before tax it is 365 and 319, and they are paying taxes in a good manner. This is the financial prospect. The OPM was good. See here, the OPM was very good. Sometimes it may be the OPM may be low, but in overall perspective it will be good. And see here, the share capital also in balance sheet, there is no borrowings. There is only 2 crores of borrowings. Means it is a debt free company. They are making about 276 crores of profit. If they are if they are giving about 2 crores for the borrowings, then finally they will be going. And other thing, the other liabilities also low. It is about only 241 crores. The profit is 365 crores, and you will be 1 year of profit is equals to total liabilities. Not total liabilities, but these the other liabilities, right? There is a lot of reserves here, 109 crores, and other assets is about 220 crores. The balance sheet looking very good, very good, I can say. This is the best I had ever seen in these few videos. This is the best. In the OPM profit, I had told you that OPM profit of Rajesh Exports is about 2%, because there is a mining mining will be going on Rajesh Exports, but this was giving about 57% of OPM, and the balance sheet is looking very good. And it is not about the shareholding patterns. Unfortunately, the shareholding patterns is not there here, but you can check. I saw this shareholding pattern. The promoters holding is 20%. Now we are going to look at let me show you about how much it may grow. Okay, CDSL, right? Yeah, here it is only listed in NSE, so please go through it. I was keeping it 1%. I had bought here at 990 or 995 rupees. Yeah, but I'm sorry for doing late. If it is coming back to its original ratio, it will be coming, because it's a very good company, and we know how much potential is there in Indian economy, that I am believing. And see this, from here to here, if you wait for 1 to 2 years, 1 year also, like from here to here, about 60% of profit. About 60% of profit. If you wait for 2 years also, the 60% profit is not a less thing. And there is another strategy. See here, I can say you from somewhere here to somewhere here, how much profit it is going to give you from here to year about 57% of profit. And I bought somewhere here, and it was looking nice. It hit this button, and it started to grow again. And one more thing, it is also forming a pattern here. The first they gone up, second sorry for yeah, this one, not that one, because yeah, for this one, the first time it was gone up, second time it was started again going up, third time now it was going up. Please understand this process, it will be going up in very soon. But I'm thinking, if this is the potential of the company may give you about about 100% profit in few months to years. I'm not saying you keep, if you keep now, then directly it will be going to jump from 0 to 100% of profits. But I'm saying, yeah, definitely it will be going to give profit. And please understand, I'm not a SEBI registered person, or I'm not keeping insisting you to invest in stock market or any other kind of stock. Please understand this, and please understand the financial basis, business prospect, and also the technical patterns. So in my case, in my point of view, I had invested here, and I'm going to invest. I will be going to buy some more stocks, and getting my profits done by next year. Thank you guys, that's it today. Have a nice day.